I'm retired, so what do I do all day? Today we're making a bowl from oak with the Celtic knot inlay. I'm not sure what type of wood the inlay is, possibly a Roco. This piece has been kicking around my workshop for a long time and I'm not entirely sure what it is. The oak was made from strips glued together, and I really hope you enjoy the video. So what was the learning from this project? This is only my second video, and I tried hard to improve the camera position and make it better. Let me know what you think. I've improved the hot gluing technique, and this time it didn't come off the lathe, unlike in the previous video. Clearly the obvious issue is the missing piece in the inlay. What was the reason? I think I concentrated so much on making the video that I didn't focus enough on the design. And whilst doing the design in Vectric, I obviously deleted that small piece and just didn't notice. Now the glue and the surface gaps came out perfectly. At 4mm, they gave a 1.7mm gap after allowing 2.3mm for the V-bit flat, exactly as calculated, so I was very pleased with this. What I wasn't so pleased with was the finish. It's the first time I've used the hard wax oil and I need to try again with it. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't quite as good as I expected. I hope that you like this bowl. It was fun to make and I certainly learned a lot from making it. Have a go at a deep inlay bowl for yourself and see what you can create. I really do appreciate any questions or suggestions, and thank you for watching. Now you know a bit more of what I do all day. Like and subscribe to find out some more.